In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new sprint in Jira. To get started, open Jira software and sign in to your Atlassian account. Once you're logged in, head to the Projects section and open the Scrum project where you want to create the sprint. It's important to be inside the correct project first because sprints are managed within that project's backlog and board. After that, go to the project sidebar and click Backlog. This is where Jira shows your existing sprints, along with any issues that haven't been assigned yet. The backlog is basically your planning area, so this is where you'll organize the work before the sprint begins. Now click Create Sprint. When you do that, Jira will add a new sprint for you. Depending on your setup, it may appear below the active sprint or at the top of the backlog if there isn't an active sprint yet. This gives you a container where you can start grouping the work your team plans to complete next. Next, add issues to the sprint. You can drag and drop tasks, stories, or bugs from the backlog directly into the new sprint. If you prefer, you can also open an individual issue and assign it using the sprint field. Either method works, so use whichever feels faster for your workflow. Just make sure the sprint contains the issues you want the team to focus on. If you want, you can rename the sprint to make it more descriptive. Click the sprint name, which might be something generic at first, and then type in a clearer name that matches your team's planning style. After entering the new name, press enter to save it. A clear sprint name can make reporting and tracking much easier later on. You can also set a sprint goal if that option is available. Click Add Sprint Goal, then enter a short objective that explains what the team is trying to achieve during the sprint. Keep it brief and specific, then save your changes. This can help keep everyone aligned on the purpose of the sprint, not just the list of issues inside it. When you're ready to begin, click Start Sprint. Jira will ask for details such as the sprint name, sprint duration, start date, and end date. Review that information carefully, then click Start to launch the sprint. Once the sprint is active, open the board to track progress. As work moves forward, update issues through workflow columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Keeping the board current helps the whole team stay informed and makes sprint progress much easier to monitor.